Here we have my dad's 1999 Toyota Camry with the 1MZFE 3.0 liter V6. Got a little problem. Right underneath here, the throttle body, there's this thing called a idle air control valve, and it's clogged. Well, it clogs about every 3 years or so. And when that happens, when you try to cold start it, it'll start and die. So, now if you give it a little tiny bit of gas, it'll stay running. You have to keep revving it, otherwise it'll die. Thing is, the valve isn't opening up right, so it's not letting enough air in for the cold start. Well, now it stays running, but at an extremely low RPM. So I was told that the mechanic quoted him $300 to replace the idle air control valve, but that's not really necessary. I'm going to show you a little quick trick how to keep it going for another 2 or 3 years. So we'll shut this off. Okay, so I removed the air cleaner cover. This is the throttle body, and right underneath this part, that's the idle air control valve. Now, I told you earlier that it was expensive to replace, about $300, mainly due to its location, which is underneath the throttle body, and in order to get to the actual bolts to remove it, you probably have to take the top half of the intake manifold off. Anyway, the trick is this little hole in front of the throttle butterfly valve leads down into the idle air control. So what you could do is spray some carburetor cleaner in there, and that would hopefully clean off enough of the gunk that it would function again correctly. Okay, I finished spraying out the entire throttle body and idle air control valve. Hose is back on, air filter's back on. This particular engine, the 3.0 liter 1MZFE V6, doesn't like to run with this removed. After all, it's got that mass airflow sensor there. So we'll go for a start. Alright, oh, I left the key in. There you go. Alright, once it warms up, you'll see the RPM drop a bit. And I got a check engine light on. Okay, code should be cleared now. Yep,